Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a public Telegram group. First, open Telegram and tap the pencil icon to start a new chat. Select New Group and add at least one contact to proceed. This initial step forms the foundation for your community. Once the group is created, you will be able to modify its settings to make it public and accessible to a wider audience, allowing more people to discover and join your discussions. After creating your new group, tap on its name at the very top of the chat screen. This action will open the group's information page. Next, look for the Edit option, often shown as a pencil icon, and tap it. Within the group settings, you will find an option to change the group type. Select Public instead of Private to make your group discoverable and open for anyone to join, expanding its reach significantly. Once your group is public, you will need to create a unique public link. This link, such as Telegram, me/yourname, allows people to find and join your group easily. Also, make sure to give your group a clear, descriptive name and upload an appealing profile picture to attract members. You can also set up administrators and adjust member permissions, like who can send messages or add new members, to maintain a well-managed and active community. To grow your public group, share its unique link across various social media platforms and relevant online communities. Actively monitor the group's activity, ensuring discussions remain positive and productive. Consistently enforce any community guidelines you have established to maintain a welcoming environment for all members. For those who love to read, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below this video. Keep your group engaging and it will thrive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.